Ever signed up for something, thinking, this is going to revolutionize my life, only to find it gathering digital dust months later? Maybe it's a fitness app you swore you'd use daily, or, in this case, a spaceship subscription that seemed like a brilliant investment at the time. Look, we've all been there. And if you're watching this, you're probably thinking, okay, spaceship, it's been fun, but how do I actually cancel this thing? You're not alone. Navigating subscription cancellations can feel like trying to find a needle in a digital haystack, especially when it involves something as sensitive as your investments. We're talking about your money, after all. So, let's cut straight to the chase and get you sorted. First things first, let's understand why you might want to cancel. Maybe your financial goals have shifted, or you've found a different investment strategy that suits you better. Perhaps you're consolidating your accounts, or simply need to free up some cash flow. Whatever the reason, it's perfectly valid. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Canceling your spaceship subscription isn't as complicated as you might think. The key is understanding the different types of spaceship accounts and how they operate. Spaceship offers different investment products, including Spaceship Universe Portfolio, Spaceship Origin Portfolio, and Spaceship Super. Each of these might have slightly different cancellation nuances, especially regarding any invested funds. For most Spaceship users, the first step is to log into your Spaceship account either through the app or the website. Once you're in, look for the Settings or Profile section. This is your command center for account adjustments. Within the settings, you will generally find an option related to account management or subscription settings. Here's where you'll find the magic button, or rather, the digital equivalent, to cancel your subscription. Keep in mind that if you've actively invested funds, you'll need to understand the implications of withdrawing those funds. Spaceship, like any investment platform, has processes for selling your units and transferring the cash back to your nominated bank account. This process can take a few business days, so factor that into your timeline. It's crucial to check for any potential fees or charges associated with withdrawing your funds. Spaceship's fee structure is generally transparent, but it's always best to double-check to avoid any surprises. You can typically find this information in the Product Disclosure Statement, PDS, or the Spaceship website's Help section. Now, here's a critical point. If you have a Spaceship Super account, the cancellation process might be a bit more involved. Superannuation is a long-term investment, and withdrawing funds before retirement is subject to specific regulations. You'll likely need to transfer your super balance to another super fund rather than simply withdrawing it as cash. If you're having trouble finding the cancellation option or understanding the withdrawal process, don't hesitate to reach out to Spaceship's customer support. They're there to help you navigate these situations. Before you finalize the cancellation, make sure you've downloaded any necessary statements or transaction history for your records. This will be helpful for future financial planning or tax purposes. Finally, remember to double-check that your cancellation has been processed successfully. You should receive a confirmation email or notification from Spaceship. So, to recap, log in, find settings, look for cancellation, understand withdrawal implications, and double-check everything. It's a straightforward process, just take your time and follow the prompts. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.